Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So I want to share the must-do deals with you guys for next week. So CVS has some great deals. Those freebies are going to be going on all next week as well. So we will be getting another free item every single day. If for some reason your store doesn't have the free item, if they ran out, just ask, see if you can get a rain check. I was able to get 2 rain checks yesterday, or was it the other day? Something like that. I posted it on my Instagram. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be doing another giveaway on Sunday in my CVS haul video, giving away some coupon inserts. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I will be choosing the winner on Tuesday in my Dollar General haul video. So we have some freebies at CVS next week, some money makers. There's really cheap Huggies diapers as well. So I have 2 different scenarios for that spend 30 P&G deal. So let's go ahead and dive right into these deals. Colgate is going to be a freebie and moneymaker. So all you have to do, very beginner friendly, is buy the Sunday paper on 7/12 and get the inserts. So Colgate is buy 2, get a $4.50 extra buck. It is a limit of 2. So we are going to max out this deal and do it twice. We're going to grab 4 of the toothpaste. They are $3.49 each. There is a 5 off of 3 Colgate digital coupon. It's available right now. So make sure you go double check, send it to your card. Then we're getting 50-cent coupons in our Sunday insert. So make sure you buy an insert so you can use that coupon. You'll pay then $8.46, get back a $4.50 extra buck for every 2 you buy. So you're going to then get back a $9 extra buck, making it free. I meant to erase the final cost here. Final cost is going to be free and a 54-cent moneymaker. So a great deal, very beginner friendly to get 4 completely free toothpaste after extra bucks. Crest as well, if you prefer Crest. There is another deal going on. Buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. So Crest is on sale for $2.99. There is a $1 digital coupon that we're going to have. It says it right in the Sunday paper. That'll make it $1.99 each. Now this deal also has a limit of 2. I just have a scenario here to do it once. So what you're going to do is grab 2 of the Crest at $2.99 each. Use the $1 digital, and we got $1 off coupons from the July PG insert. There's also a 50-cent Crest app only coupon. So the only way to get that is to use the CVS app on a smartphone. Now be aware, I did do a second CVS haul today. I sent to my card a couple of the app only coupons. They did not come off. I had a lot of issues at checkout today for some reason. If you haven't checked out that video, it will be linked at the end of this one. So definitely look at it. The Pantene didn't go to my card. There was a Schick app-only coupon as well. It didn't work or come off, so I wound up ditching that deal. So just be aware, watch your totals at checkout. 98% of the managers and cashiers won't really help you anymore, just based on what I'm hearing from a lot of the different managers that I go to. So even if it doesn't work, unfortunately, there's not really anything they can do. I tried to call CVS today. I got a hold of someone in about 5 minutes, which was great, and then she started asking me some questions, and then bam, it got disconnected. They never called me back, and I just kind of didn't really feel like the back and forth. So little heads up on that with some of the digitals, again, not working. If all of these digitals and the paper coupon work, you'll pay $3.48, get back a $3 extra buck, making it just 48 cents for both, or 24 cents each. I will definitely be doing both of these. Excuse me. I will definitely be doing both of these deals next week. The all detergent. So this is going on at Walgreens and at CVS, and it's on a variety of products. So the all detergent is available. There's the free and clear and the regular with Oxy. The Snuggle fabric softener is included as well. They're all going to be just $2.99 next week. We are also getting a $1 coupon in the 7/12 Retail Me Not insert, making them just $1.99 each. Now, there's no limit or anything like that, but of course, be mindful. They may still have some limits in the stores from the COVID, so just double check that as far as how many you're able to grab. My region does not get the Retail Me Not insert, so I went ahead and ordered some individual coupons from the couponmarketplace.com. That's probably the main question I get the most, where I get my inserts, where I get my coupons. It's always listed all the way at the bottom of the description box, some different websites that you can print coupons and different websites I have used where I've purchased individual coupons or inserts. So if you ever forget, you can just look in the description box of any of my videos. There's tons of good information in there. The video for how to use Ibotta is in there, how to use Fetch Rewards, a beginner video if you are a new couponer. I know I have a ton of new couponers who watch my videos, which is awesome. Welcome to couponing. That is awesome that you're deciding to get started. So double check in there. There's always some great information. There's also my Teespring. So I have new merchandise that I launched when I hit 10,000 subscribers. So if you want to support the channel, get some cute couponing gear, double check that as well. It is in the description box. So there are a ton of hair care deals next week. So I have about 4 different varieties to share with you. Here are 2 options, and this would be using a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT. You would grab 2 of the whole blends. They're on sale 2 for $7, and 2 of the Garnier Fructis on sale 2 for $7. There is a 4 off of 2 Garnier Fructis and a 4 off of 2 whole blends coming in our Retail Me Not insert. Then if you use a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT, you're going to pay just $3 for 4 bottles or 75 cents per bottle. This will track towards CVS Beauty as well, which is always nice. Now for Pantene. So this is included in a deal. You can either buy 2, I think it's get a $2 extra buck, or buy 4, get a $6 extra buck. So the best bang for your buck is to grab 4 of them and get that $6 extra buck. It is a limit of 2, so you can do the deal twice. What you can do is grab 4 of the large Pantenes. These are the 20 ounce. They're on sale 3 for $15, so the 4th bottle will ring in at $5.99, the regular price. There is a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that is going to be arriving Sunday, so we'll be able to send that to our card. There's also $1 off 1 Pantene that we got from our July P&G insert. If you have a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT, this is an amazing deal to go ahead and add that. You'll pay $10.99, get back a $6 extra buck, making your final cost $4.99 for 4 large bottles or $1.24 each. So just doing this deal alone, this can set you up for a couple months with some shampoo and conditioner. So this is the same deal, it's just getting it with the Aussie instead. So if you want to do both, you can. Again, it is a limit of 2. So what you can do for the Aussie, they're buy one, get one 40% off. So my store, what it showed online, they're $4.69. So your region could be a little different. So just double check your pricing and adjust your math accordingly. So the second one would be $2.81. Total for 4 of them would be about $15 exactly. You're going to use 2 of the $2 off 1 coupons we're going to get in the Retail Me Not insert. I swear that Retail Me Not always has the hair care coupons, which I don't get, which is so frustrating. So I won't be able to do any of these deals on Sunday because I just ordered them today. I'm super late to the game. So I probably won't get my coupons until Monday. So actually Tuesday, because they didn't even ship out today because I literally just ordered them, and you have to order them by 11 for them to ship out same day. So barnacles, I'm way late today. Anyway, I will have to do these deals for you guys sometime next week. And if you use a 3 off of 12 or 3 off of 15 hair care CRT with this, you'll pay $8, get back again that $6 extra buck, making it $2 for 4 bottles or 50 cents each. I've heard a lot of good things from my Dollar General haul when I mentioned asking you guys about the Aussie products, and a lot of you said that you really like them. So when my Dove conditioner runs out, I am going to use the Aussie. Hopefully it'll work well for me so I can take advantage of this deal next week as well. Secret deodorant. So those amazing checkout 51 offers I know we've been seeing. I posted it on my Instagram a little while ago. The Venus razors, the Gillette razors, that is already gone. Everyone used those up super fast because it was an amazing deal. I just checked today, the Secret deodorant and the Old Spice is still there. So fingers crossed it'll still be there by Sunday when we try to do this deal. Now, they are on sale 2 for $6. It depends on what is included. If the Secret Outlast or the Secret Fresh is included, we do have a digital coupon. There is also a $1 secret app only coupon as well. So make sure you clip that, send it to your card. Hopefully it will work and come off when you do your transaction. With all of those, you'll pay $3. Submit to checkout 51 for $2 when you buy 2. Final cost would be $1 for both or 50 cents each. If the Outlast and Fresh are not included, you would just use that $1 secret app only coupon. So you would pay $5, submit to checkout 51, get back the $2, making them $1.50 each. I do have the asterisk down here. If you have a $2 off 2 or $1 deodorant CRT, definitely add that. That can make this deal a moneymaker, a freebie, you name it. Okay, so this is the first scenario I have for you guys for the spend 30, get back a $10 extra buck deal. This is a limit of 1, and I did submit my receipt from today when I did the PG deal to pggoodeveryday.com, and it works totally fine. I also noticed, I don't know if you guys saw, the experiences is working. So when you're redeeming your points, there used to only be like 3 categories. Sweepstakes, I think it was donations, and then like gift cards. Now they have experiences. So I was clicking through it today, looking around. 750 points can get you a $50 gift card to a hotel. How amazing. I know travel isn't big right now, obviously, with the big spikes going on, but there was also a beauty for a mani-pedi. So I asked on my Instagram if any of you guys have done that. If you have done any of those experiences, please drop a comment. Let me know if it's good. If you guys haven't tried it yet, I was going to cash out for a mani-pedi. I like to get some pedicures just kind of to relax, even though I'm like the most ticklish ever. And I'm like sweating when I'm getting a pedicure because I'm like so tense because it's so ticklish. Anyway, so let me know because I really want to give that a shot and see how it goes. So if you can get a mani-pedi for 750 points, that's amazing. Okay, moving on. So for this scenario, you grab one of the large Tide liquids for $11.90. They're $11.94. That's a typo there. One of the Tide pods at $4.94. One of the Scott paper towels. They are the 6 equals 11 rolls. There are $9.79 is what I showed online. So double check that as well. And one of the Persil's at $5.99. Total is going to come to $32.71. We have a $3 Tide liquid digital coupon, a $2 Tide Pod digital coupon, a $2 digital for the Scott paper towel, and we're getting a $2 Persil coupon in our 712 Retail Me Not insert. If you have a 3 off of 15 laundry CRT, I know those have been floating around pretty frequently. Definitely use that with this deal. You'll pay $20.71, get back a $10 extra buck, making your final cost $10.71 for 4 items or $2.67 each, which is not a bad deal. Make sure you submit your receipt to the pggoodeveryday.com. You'll get back 50 points per P&G product with a max of 250 points per receipt. So definitely some great deals and some amazing rewards once you get those points. Here is the last scenario for the spend 30 deal. This is getting some Huggies. Now, there are some really amazing fetch rewards or like fetch rebates for these, but it depends on the size. It depends on like the size of the Huggies. So one of them is if you buy size 12 months to 24 months. I haven't been able to find those at my CVS's. And then one of them is another specific sizes as well. So just double check your account. Definitely scan the receipt regardless of which ones you get. See if you wind up getting any of the bonus points. If you're new to Fetch Rewards, here is my code J24VT. When you scan your first receipt, you have to scan one within 7 days. Any receipt you have laying around the house, or of course, when you're shopping at this CVS doing your receipt, you will get an additional 2,750 points. So with this deal, what you're going to do is grab 2 Huggies at $20 and 1 Tide liquid at $11.94. Again, typo. So then you're going to use a 3 off of 2 Huggies digital coupon, a $3 Tide liquid digital, a $1 Huggies app only digital coupon. If you have a 3 off of 15 diaper CRT, add that as well. You'll pay $21.99, get back a $10 extra buck, Again, submit to Fetch, see what bonus points you can get for the Huggies. Final cost would be $11.99 for 3 items or $3.99 each. Amazing, amazing deal. That is like 75% off for the Tide. Super hot deal going on, especially for some diapers because those are super expensive. I think even at Walmart, they're like $7 or $8 per bag. So definitely some great savings regardless of where you buy your diapers and laundry products. If you guys have any questions, of course, drop a comment, let me know. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up if some of these deals were helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.